Hi guys, this is Ali. Today I'm going to share with you how to dramatically increase your credit score and improve your credit report using the sample dispute letter that I've provided below. Now, there are two things that you need to know about how to use this credit bureau dispute letter. The first thing you need to know is that creditors can sue you, and you want to be very, very careful on how you utilize this letter. I've actually come across many people that have been sued when they've disputed accounts. For this, you need to be aware of one particular piece of legislation. Every state has what they call a statute of limitations for debts. For instance, in California, the statute of limitations is 4 years. Creditors can take you to court for up to 4 years from the time the item fell behind. That means that if you fall behind on a debt today, you don't pay it, the creditors have up to 4 years to pursue you for that debt. Granted, nobody's going to take you to court over $200 or $300, but if you owe somebody several thousands of dollars, yes, if it is within the statute of limitations, then you dispute that account. Now, the second thing that will really help you increase your effectiveness of the credit bureau dispute letter is addresses. Now, your credit report, if you look at it, has a bunch of addresses that you may have lived at. Sometimes it has your work addresses as well too. Sometimes it may have an address to a relative. Sometimes, that may happen if you have a joint account with somebody. Now, I would basically ask you to go ahead and dispute any questionable, erroneous addresses that are part of your credit file. The reason why we do this is that if a questionable account is linked to a certain address, meaning a creditor reported that address on your credit report, now if you go ahead and ask the credit bureaus to remove that address, then odds are that the item may more easily come off your credit report, therefore dramatically increasing your deletion rate. I hope this was helpful information. Your comments and feedback are welcome below. If you have any questions or need any specific help, do reach out to me.